Yeah, so now I'm going to show you guys how to connect it to your phone. So it's gonna be pop up something just like it. So sometimes you need to update your phone before it connect it. And just download and install it and put your passcode. Yeah, sometimes it requires update your iPhone. Make sure you have the latest version. Alright, so once you update it and you're gonna do the same thing, just open it and it pops up and click on the connect. Yeah, so just simply click on done. Here you go, you are all set now, good to go. Alright guys, so this is pretty much how to set up and connect it. I hope you guys liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and make sure you hit the thumbs up and don't forget to leave the comment below. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for your watching.